right, so we got a trainee right here. We got our Super 10 driver, Eddie.
Not going up too far to the side?
He wants to low bed. No, you look good. He wants to low bed. First time in an excavator. I think he's been in them. He rode with that. What's that one dude? Mono. He's got a channel. It's kind of shitty. What's up, Mono? What you think about Eddie right here? Let me know. Anyway, he's rode with Dario Mono. That's his this is his uncle right here, Eddie. So Eddie works with me, but we brought him along today. He wants to learn the game. Figure we'll put him in this machine, try to learn it. It's looking good though. Okay, go ahead and bring your arm out. Nice and easy. Go straight out. Your left one, your left joystick, go forward. There you go. Okay, uncurl it. So the right joystick, go to the right joystick. There you go. You're gonna use the wheel, okay? Yeah, so he wants to low bed, he's learning. Okay, right there's good. Go down or keep walking yourself off. Keep the height where you're at. And you're just gonna let the wheel kind of roll as you're coming. I don't know if I'm the greatest teacher, but I've never even taught anybody. Shit, as long as you don't come off the side, we're good. No, you're good. Keep coming. Okay, as you're coming off, what I like to do is keep doing what you're doing, but use one hand with both levers to walk yourself off, and the other hand you're going to have on the right joystick. And as you're coming off, you're going to be raising that arm slowly so the tracks start coming down to the ground. So go ahead.
Is it up, right?
Not yet, but keep coming. You want to at least get half of it off. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hey, hang on real quick. Hang on. Stop. I'm going to let this car by. All right. Keep coming. Okay. Start raising your arm and walk yourself off. There you go. There you go. Not too fast. Not too fast. Okay. Stop. Go ahead and come down. Raise it all the way. Stop and raise it. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Raise it. There you go. Okay. Now, raise your arm all the way. The right. Okay. Curl it in, because now you're going to spin around and pick yourself up to walk yourself off the rest of the way. The least pressure you put on the trailer, the better. So you're good right there. Curl your wheel in. that because look, you're good. It's just branches. You want to watch that. You know what I mean? So you're good. It's just you got to remember you see because I'm telling you lower it, but you know once someone tells you lower it, then you're just well they told me to do it. So just remember that. But you're good. Go ahead. I just want you to see that. Go ahead. Spin it. There's no hard branches. Hold it. Okay, now pick it up. Go. Hold on. Go. You need to pick it up right there. We're good. But if I have to pick that out. What's up? What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
You gonna get the attachments off or am I?
You are.
You want me to take it from here?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
You did good. That's all it is, practice, man.
It's more practice.
Yeah, that's all.
Later.
Everything's practice, bro.
Okay,
I mean, no one got in the machine.
So just pull it up?
Yeah, pull it up, and you're good. Everything's in neutral. You can't.
I don't want to focus.
You did good, bro.
Sweet.
You did good.
Woo!
And you took your time. For a minute, you know, most people when they're learning or whatever, they're trying to do it, they get a little crazy because they get lost. But you were smooth the whole way. Like you thought about it. You just didn't panic and start hitting, levers. And a lot of people do that.
Well, I did get nervous when I was coming up the track, how it went sideways.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you got to be.
But that's because of the handling the levers with one hand. I gotta manage it to I can get it,
So if you get too funky of an angle and then your machine's coming this way,
Yeah.
it feels like you're gonna tip. So you got to try to keep it as aligned, as
I wasn't
possible.
worried about tipping.
No?
I wasn't worried about tipping.
What were you worried about?
My main concern was that I would come down too hard on the machine and land on this. That was my only concern. Or coming off your this is fucking
Yeah. The trailer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And falling up.
Yeah.
Like right here at the
No,
end.
you
because
did
like
good.
You said, I had to adjust myself again. But besides that, no.
So you're still after the Lowbed game?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, well, let's get these attachments off and then park it and we'll fucking get out of here.
All right. Let's do this.
Good job.
Thanks. Keep
That's
it up.
right. All right, so we're out. We're headed back to the yard. Eddie, hey, what do you got to tell your uncle? He can't back up like me. Or your nephew, I'm sorry. Your nephew. What? Can your nephew back up like me? No.
Play the fifth.
Dario, Mono, you're a low life, homeboy. Low life.